In this video, I will teach you how to export a Lusha list into an Excel list. So this is very useful for organizing contacts, creating lead lists, or sharing your data efficiently. But the very first thing you need to do is to go to the website lusha.com and log in with your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can just sign up quickly using your email or LinkedIn credentials. And once you're logged in, you can just navigate to your saved contacts or list, which looks like here or all contacts right here. To export your list, all you have to do is to select your list. You must open the list that you want to export. Make sure it contains all the contacts that you need and want for it to have. Then look for the export button, usually at the top of the list. Lucia will prompt you to choose the file format. So to do that, you just have to select Excel or .xlsx as your preferred format. This ensures your data is neatly organized in columns like names, email, company, phone, and LinkedIn URL. The next thing you have to do is you just have to download your file. To do that, you just have to click on download, and then your export file will automatically be saved to your default downloads folder. You can then open it in Excel, Google Sheets, or upload it into OneDrive for cloud access. You must also verify the data. You must double check that all contacts are correctly exported, including emails and phone numbers, so you don't miss any important information. Lucia limits export based on your plan, so pre accounts may have fewer contacts per export. Using Excel makes it easier to filter, sort, and manage your leads efficiently. So using it as your preferred list is the best choice. And you can also integrate this Excel sheet with CRMs or marketing tools for better workflow. So that's all there is today. Hope we helped.